In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You may want to enable developer mode if you want to access enhanced features or if you want to access debugging features on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. To do so, go ahead and click on Start menu and then open Settings. From here, click on Update and Security Options on your computer. Now from here, look for the option called For Developer from the left menu. Click on it, and this will open the developer options that are available for developers, as you can see here. Now, as you can see, the developer mode is turned off. To enable it, just toggle this button, and then you'll have this pop-up window. Go ahead and tap on yes, and your developer mode will be enabled. So that's how you enable developer mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.